He's stuck on. He's stuck on petrified. Right. What we like for you? Fill it up with more? Huh?
Yeah.
Watch your legs.
Fill it up now.
Yeah? Down? Yeah, we'll drop it at that and try to move the manual.
Follow either. Right, leave it there.
I shall put it back up to there. Should we go for a bit higher? Or not? Once you bubble wrap this up before we a bubble wrap over there, bubble wrap over the top of that. Aye. Not moving, is it? Bastard.
Oh, this is really.
Watch. Hey, I can go under there. Watch your arm. Sorry.
Get your hoist.
Hoist
Yeah.
over the top.
Stand. Yeah.
Okay. How's that?
There you go. You have enough left of that?
Should have a little bit more lift yet.
We're off the ground now.
Right, can we get it in the middle then? Engine roughly in the middle and lower it down again and then we can move the car then. Yeah?
So,
How's that? Yeah? Right. Take the strain off this then.
right, then what you gotta do?
Then we'll lower the car over the engine.
Right.
Okay? And then we can work from there.
How do we get a load of the car?
I'm going to go one side at a time on the chassis rails, jacking up, drop down a hole at a time. Yeah?
Right, I don't know this square.
Is something alright?
We need to have a
You want over a bit more?
towards me. Going up again. There we go. Right,
Lower it that.
load it as well. Should get on that.
He's got to catch up radio, I can zoom with the it's only 4 minutes, right?
Right, go on. Don't keep going.
Well,
We're suspended, isn't it?
we're moving around to the
Right,
here.
go on then.
Right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Watch that inlet manifold against that body, right?
Ah, you're right.
We're alright for clearing the back there in the bulkhead.
Just to check. gearbox.
Aye. Oh, God. Alright.
Aye.
Want to carry on?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I'm catching on this side.
What?
Catching on the steering rack.
The steering wheel?
The engine mount's catching the steering rack. That's it. Just tighten them 2 nuts up there.
Mm-hmm.
So, what there, 17s or something like that.
Is it catching up?
There's an engine mount's catching the steering shaft, the column.
The shaft. Yeah.
Aye. Hold it there. Right, so I've got
You
the...
get a bolt on your side.
Aye. That got 9 bolts.
Fast.
Oh,
So like.
bloody hell, where's that? Okay, what we're looking at here is the rear shock absorbers. These are going to go away to be powder coated. As you can see, there's a rubber washer at the top and then a metal washer below that. Okay, these are like a grey blue colour. Now they're powder coated and return to us shortly. You can see they're quite dirty and musty. These are the back leaf springs of the rear of the car. They're going to be sandblasted and powder coated and satin black. This is the rear differential. It's going to be powder coated as well in satin black. This is the rear axle tube in its rusty state. Rusty original state, 24 years of course. It will also be sandblasted and powder coated in black. The backing plates and the rear drums. What I'm doing now is, this is part of the rear differential. The man that had it away for powder coating hasn't powder coated this bit, so what I'm going to do is, I've primed it now as you can see. I put a coat of primer on. Then I'm just going to give it a coat of Ford satin black and hopefully it'll look okay. That's the rear differential behind us. This part here. As you can see, it's all been powder coated in satin black, so it looks like new again. Put that black down for a little bit. Okay, today I've just got the differential back. That's this part here. It's been away, it's been powder coated. Upon getting powder coated I had to dismantle it, which means taking the crown wheel and the pinion out, and we've had to take it up to county garage to get the backlash set up between the crown wheel and pinion. So that's a matter of adjusting the shims on either side to get the right amount of play. We've just got it back today, and I'm putting it back into the axle tube, and I'm just on with tightening the small 13mm nuts up, put a new gasket in, and it's had a new crush washer in and a new pinion oil seal. once I've got this tightened up, we'll be putting the half shafts back in and building it all back up again. This is the last stages. Information tag. It goes on the rear differential of the car. I've had it away to be zinc plated again in silver. And I'm just going to put this back on now. I tell people that's the only view they'll get of it. The rear brake assembly, I've just put it together now as per the Haynes manual. As you can see, it consists of 2 shoes and it's held in place by these springs and washers and pins. Cylinders are new. I've renewed those long before I stripped the car down. Today I've put the shoes in place, consisting of this spring and a small spring here. I've just finished doing that now. Okay. I've just fitted this differential earlier. As you can see, there's 8 nuts hold it in place and a small paper gasket in between. I've just managed to do that about 20 minutes, half an hour ago. That's our first event with the car, and it's going to be featured in a special display tomorrow, celebrating 25 years of the RS Owners Club, and we're at Whippen, Lightwater Valley Theme Park in Yorkshire. As you can see, there's all the barbecues on the go, and this is the night before the show. Hopefully it'll be a good day tomorrow. Weather should keep up dry. As you can see from North Yorkshire Group, Lightwater Valley, 10th anniversary Sunday, we took part in a special display, and as a way of saying thank you, they've awarded us this plaque.